Last take on the banking space. The new RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das is meeting private sector lenders today to take a stock of issues affecting the bank. Neha, what to expect?
After seeking feedback from public sector lenders, RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das is expected to meet private sector lenders. Remember, the meeting does not have a fixed agenda. It's going to be a free-flowing conversation, as we saw in the past meetings with public sector banks. But remember, with private sector banks, there are a whole host of areas that require more clarity as far as asset quality is concerned. This has been a spot of bother not just for public sector banks, but even for many private sector banks. Remember, the Feb 12 circular revamped the entire procedure for dealing and tackling these bad loans. Many of the debt reject tools have been put away, like CDR and SDR, S48 to name a few, with the entire focus now being on IBC for resolution. As far as bad loan resolution is concerned, do remember there is more clarity sought as far as recognition of some bad loan accounts is concerned. More recently, banks are trying to understand how really to treat IL&FS defaults that only seem to be gathering momentum and will speed up in the coming months. Not just IL&FS, but to understand how really certain loan accounts need to be provided for. This is something that perhaps could come up for discussion. Apart from this, remember that liquidity has been a very important area for the government ahead of elections. In fact, RBI has also stepped in to boost liquidity in December and January. Thereby, in the past meetings, RBI had also suggested to public sector banks to do more and extend help to NBFCs and in the process allow some credit growth as far as the MSME sector is concerned. This could continue with private sector banks as well, that have recently been paying more attention to the retail pie of their business, considering that corporate loans have seen a period of time where they have not been the most profitable portfolio for banks. Apart from this, bank ownership is an issue that has been a grey area for certain private sector banks. They could seek more clarity as far as this is concerned, as far as promoter stake is concerned. And should there be any fresh review on these norms, of course, it will come as a big relief to several private sector banks because the central bank recently pulled up 2 private sector banks for the same reasons. Many important issues to come up for discussion in the meeting between RBI and private sector lenders.